Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a simple collage in Google Docs. So what you'll need to do is basically go and click on insert. Then what you'll need to do insert is drawing, and right here click on new. Now what you'll need to do is use this button where it says image, as you can see. So use this button to upload images. So I'm going to use that. So click on that, just browse, and now I have some, as you can see, some images. So you can select only one right now, so it can take a little while to upload all. So right now I'm going to just upload few of these images and just going to show you how you can make a collage. So basically I will pause now. Alright, I uploaded some images, and now just I will zoom out a little bit, so you can do that by clicking on zoom menu and just clicking on, let's say, 90%, or just holding Ctrl and using your mouse scroll wheel. And now what you'll need to do is basically select an image, resize a little bit, let's say like this, and just move around. So let's do that right now. It is pretty simple to do a collage in Google Docs. So let's do something like this. It doesn't even matter. You can just place how you want to, but right now I'm just going to place something like this. And that's how you can do a collage. You can crop it or change ratio if you need to, like this. So as you can see, it looks kinda good right now. With different images it would look more professional, but right now I have only these images. So now what I'll need to do is go and save and close. And as you can see, this is an image collage that you can use. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.